Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Chiliz. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Chiliz is trying to break out a very long-term down channel and a falling wedge pattern as well. And at the same time, you can see it is also breaking out this long-term resistance of 10 cents as well on the 7 days time frame chart. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2023 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for CLV, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade signal, for example, in this case, I shared the signal on 23rd of December, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss as well. And in order to see how the price has moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after clicking this play button, it will show you how the price has moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Chiliz, and this is the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that since after the month of March 2021, it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel. And now you can see that in the current week, it is breaking out this down channel. And from the month of May 2022, you can see it started forming this falling wedge pattern as well. And after getting squeezed, you can see finally it is breaking it out. And at the same time, it is trying to break out this long-term resistance of 10 cents as well. You can see that previously this 10 cents level has been working as a support here, and almost as a support here as well for several weeks here and here. And therefore, after breaking it out, it can be flipped into a strong and long-term support for the price line because previously it had been working as a support here and also resistance here as well. Now, if you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that we have a closing above this resistance of the channel and the wedge and this 10 cents resistance. Therefore, I'm expecting that on a weekly time frame chart, we will soon have closing above these resistance levels as well. At the same time, you can see that Chili's has also formed a quite big inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. This is the right shoulder. This is the head of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and this is the left shoulder. And now we have broken out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. Not broken out, but trying to break out right now. Therefore, there is a probability that soon we may also have closing above this resistance of the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then the target for this inverse head and shoulder pattern is here. After this breakout, that is exactly at this next very long-term resistance of 16.5 cents that has been previously working as a support here for several weeks, and almost here as a resistance as well. And now if we take a look at the target for this huge breakout from this big down channel, that is here at the top of the channel. That is between 95 cents to $1. This was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.